Turn the switch to on to boot the doorbell. Wait for the red light to flash slowly after hearing the doorbell beep. Open the ZumiMall app. Click Add Device. Choose Doorbell. Watch the networking tips and click Next. Connect to 4G Wi-Fi. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Scan the QR code of the mobile phone app. Hear beep to indicate that the scan is successful. Waiting for the doorbell to connect. The doorbell light turns blue, indicating the success of adding. Start using the doorbell after watching the installation suggestions.